In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Clash Royale. So there's a few different ways how to do this. So method one is using your Supercell ID. So you want to go ahead and open Clash Royale on your device. Then from here, click on the three lines menu in the top right hand corner of the page. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on your Supercell ID. And then we want to connect it so we can create a new ID or yes, log me in. So choose which one you want to do for this demonstration. I'm going to log myself in. Now I'm going to click continue. And then I'm going to log in with my Supercell ID. And now once we've done that, you'll be logged into your Supercell ID here. From here, we want to click on the Friends tab and then click on where it says Add or Invite Friends to Supercell code. Click on Add. Now we've got a few different ways. We can go ahead and scan the QR code, or we can share link to profile and then send that off to your friends. But they need to have a Supercell ID to accept you. Now the other way is using a friends link. So if I go back to the start here, then from here, near the three horizontal bars, we've got a little user profile icon. Click onto that, a little social box that's going to appear. Now, friends, we want to go ahead and invite friend. And again, we can copy this link and then send that to your friends who has this game. So yeah, this unique link will be generated. And then we share this link with friends through social apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, Discord. Now, once your friends clicks the link, they'll appear in your friends list. Now, the last way is through Facebook if connected. So you can link your Clash Royale account with Facebook. Once connected, all Facebook friends who also play Clash Royale will show up under your friends tab as well. Then once added, you'll be able to battle your friends in friendly battles, see when they're online, view their current trophies, clan, and progress.